Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a verified channel, monetization enabled, and at least the minimum subscriber threshold. Next, create or sign into a Google Merchant account and link it to your YouTube channel so products can be displayed. Once done, gather affiliate program details, ID, tracking links, and product page URLs, and check that they comply with YouTube policies. This prevents later rejections. Make sure your channel settings have the correct country, tax info, and contact details before moving to integration. Now integrate affiliate tools into your workflow. Open Creator Studio and enable product cards or affiliate panels where supported. Once enabled, add your affiliate links directly in video descriptions and apply UTM parameters or a tracking shortener to measure clicks and conversions. While uploading, place clear calls to action in thumbnails and use timestamps plus pinned comments to surface offers. Make sure disclosure language is visible. Transparency builds trust and keeps you compliant with platform rules and affiliate agreements. Finish by validating the end-to-end flow. Perform test purchases and confirm they register in your affiliate dashboard within 24 to 48 hours. Once verified, publish content with a clear disclosure statement and ensure the product panels display correctly on desktop and mobile. If something fails, retrace steps. Check the merchant account link, affiliate program regional restrictions, and whether your tracking parameters match the affiliate platform. One key troubleshooting tip: if panels won't show, revoke and reauthorize the merchant YouTube connection and resave your video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.